Over the past few days, I've been building something that needed to exist. Not for attention, not to be famous. What you're seeing in this video is not a product launch. It's not a demo. And it's not public software. It's private infrastructure built to support real people doing real work over a long period of time. I'm sharing this now because speed matters, intent matters, and the discipline behind how it was built matters as well. You'll notice that I'm not sharing a public URL, and you won't see credentials, member data, or the internal identifiers. That's not an omission, it's a design choice, because systems that matter are protected before they're promoted. What I wanted to show you instead is the thinking. How quickly a durable system can be created when clarity, responsibility, and long-term impact are treated as primary requirements. This was built in a few days, and the designs will last for years. So allow me to walk you through the structure, not only the surface of it. What you're seeing here is the result of simple but strict decisions. There's only one source of truth. Every entry is atomic, time-stamped, attributed, and treated as irreversible history. There's no manual reconciliation, no copy and pasting between spreadsheets, no human interpretation layer that can drift over time. When a contribution is made, it's recorded once, and everything else is derived from that. Daily totals, weekly roundups, monthly and yearly contributions. This is all for continuity, not because dashboards are impressive, because sometimes they are, yet because consistency is key. The system doesn't ask members to remember, it doesn't ask someone else to calculate the information for them, and it doesn't ask them to trust someone else with the information. This is how durability looks. Not speed without structure, and not flexibility without guardrails. A system that quietly does its job the same way, day in, day out, as it does today, tomorrow, and as it will a year from now. What matters most here isn't the interface, it's the discipline behind it. The moment you remove ambiguity, participation becomes a lot lighter. And when participation becomes lighter, consistency becomes inevitable. That's the real work this system is doing. Outside of a small circle of people, access will be limited because some systems are meant to scale outward and others are meant to scale inward, deepening trust, continuity, and shared responsibility. I wanted to share this with you to show you what's possible when we start optimizing for longevity as opposed to simply visibility. If you're someone who builds or supports communities, teams, or practices that require consistency over time, I'd love to talk to you. Not necessarily about features or access, about design systems that respect people's efforts and hold it with integrity. If this resonates, then that tells me more than any view count ever could. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching.